Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with Facebook Marketplace in 2025. Whether you want to buy something local or list your first item for sale, this is the easiest way to jump in and start using it. Let's get right into it. First, open Facebook and head to the Marketplace tab. You'll usually see it in the left-hand menu or sometimes at the bottom of the screen depending on your layout. If it's your first time using Marketplace, you might see a short intro page. Just tap Continue or Get Started to enter. Now you'll see the main Marketplace screen with a bunch of local listings. You can scroll through items for sale, use the search bar at the top, or filter by category like electronics, clothing, furniture, and so on. But let's say you want to list your own item for sale. Here's how. Click on the Create New Listing button. You'll see a few options. Choose Item for Sale. Now just fill in the details. Add some photos of your item. Type a title and description. Set your price. Choose a category like home goods or vehicles and confirm your location. Once that's all set, click Next, review everything, and hit Publish. Your item is now live and visible to buyers nearby. Buyers can message you directly through Facebook, and you can respond to negotiate or arrange pickup. And that's it. You're officially using Facebook Marketplace. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this one helpful. See you in the next one.